This is a skull puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Dave Makes Stuff and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 6 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is obviously to take it apart and reassemble it again. The skull puzzle is based on a classic 6-piece puzzle. It is not difficult to solve. Even unexperienced puzzlers will be able to figure out the solution, take it apart and reassemble it again. But it is just an interesting design how a puzzle can be made in a design that can be put on display. And a lot of people will be just looking at it like it's just a skull, but actually it's a puzzle. If you like the skull puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first you have to grab this part of the skull where there is supposed to be an eye and shift it to the right like that. It can be a little bit tough to do, so like that. Then you grab the bottom part, move it out. Then you grab the front part, remove it. Then you remove this piece, remove these two parts, and that's how you take the skull puzzle apart. I'll quickly show you how to assemble it back together. So put these two parts like that. Then you grab this piece, put it right here. This small piece goes on top. This goes from the back. This goes to the front. Then you lock everything with this piece and the puzzle is solved both ways. That was the solution of the skull puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.